Hello everybody, welcome back to another 09 Tuna Fish video, and today we are starting a new series, yay! So, you may have seen the title and thumbnail, but it's 10 days till Jackon opening day.
Join us for a magical journey aboard the Cobra. This is Holton's Park!
Way too much fun for one day. Exit 2, M27.
Now, this is a new series I'm going to be doing every day, hopefully if I keep it consistent, every day till Jackon opening day. And, basically, it's 10 days. And, each day I'm going to talk about a different ride, going in order from the oldest one to the newest one, which will of course be on Jackon's opening day. And, yeah, so let's get straight into it. So, today's ride we'll be talking about is Cobra. Cobra opened in March 18th, 2006, and is manufactured by Gerstlauer. It is a bobsled coaster, and yeah, so yes, those are the facts. It has a height of 54 feet or 16.5 meters, track length of 1,476 feet or 450 meters, top speed of 29 miles per hour or 46 kilometers an hour, zero inversions, max G-force is 3, ride duration is 54 seconds. Now this ride did close at the end of 2025, but it will be opening pretty soon, as of course the new area is. We'll get onto that later. And yes, that is Cobra. Day 1 completed. 10 days to go.